I find the lighting control system to be very important. It's one aspect of the home's design that often gets overlooked.
We were at our neighbor's home when we first saw the system. When we first walked into the house, there was kind of this welcome environment, and she created such nice ambiance during dinner.
Architects love the flexibility of non-pre-design time. The decorators love the fact that I don't have to damage any walls, any paint, any wallpaper, any marble, or any tile.
As an architect, I really recommend using lighting controls. It's no longer a luxury item. It's something that really should be thought of as being included in the design of the home.
Our contractor let us know about different lighting systems. He explained to us about Radio Ra and all the advantages of it.
When we used to have just a toggle switch, just kind of threw on these lights and blinded yourself out of the room. What's nice now is that I have preset the mood that I want.
The Radio Ra system really helps in functionality of an entertaining family, where you can set different moods of lighting for entertainment and for relaxing in front of the television.
I had worked so hard decorating and all the wallpaper, the idea of a contractor coming in and ripping the walls apart and wiring a system.
Our client was absolutely ecstatic with the idea of not having to rip up walls and disturb the existing decorating. By adding the Radio Ra system to the home, we were able to add switches and lighting controls and connect it to the security system without any disruption to the existing house.
The beauty of Radio Ra is the simplicity of its installation as well. We simply take out the existing devices and pop in our dimmers. We bring in our little master controls. That's essentially the basis of Radio Ra.
It was installed in one morning without any dirt, any hassle.
When we decided to put Radio Ra in our house, what we got were dimmers and switches, which replaced the existing light switches, those regular old on-off switches. And they're all connected by radio frequency.
We do a lot of different activities in this room.
Particularly when I'm entertaining clients, whether it be someone in the jacuzzi, the bar, at the pool table, or watching TV, we can set the mood around the area with the Radio Ra.
I particularly love having the system in my master bedroom, in the kitchen, in the hallways.
The entryway.
Yes, and in the entryway.
I'm on the road a lot, and I know when they come home, they can just touch a button from a phone or the car, and the lights will come on.
I feel a lot better now that we have this system in place. I mean, if for nothing else, it was worth it for the all-on button.
That's right.
You know?
Well, if I'm laying in bed and I think I hear a strange sound and I want to be able to at least light the house, either for myself to walk through or scare somebody else off, I can press an all-on button. The whole house lights up.
And having this lighting system tied into the security system, if,
that was a big deal.
If an intruder trips a window, a door somewhere, not only do we have lights all over, but the exterior lights are flashing, which of course is going to let everybody in the neighborhood know something's going on over here, pay attention, or since the security system calls the police,
that's comforting for me.
They'll know right away which house to come to.
I've installed Radio Ra in apartments, in condos, and in homes. I've found it, as far as its simplicity of operation, its flexibility of use, that it's unbeatable.
It is so simple to alter the levels of the lights just by tapping the dimmers. And if it's a little too bright from what we had started, we can just lower it a little bit, or as the evening progresses and we need a little bit more light, it's just as simple. We can do it all from one area. We used to spend so much time before bed walking around the house making sure all the lights were off and certain ones on, certain ones off.
What's nice now is you can look on the master control panel in the bedroom to see which lights are on. And in fact, if you left the basement light on, you can turn it off right from the master control.
Another wonderful aspect of Radio Ra is that if you move, you can take it with you.
My mother has had Radio Ra in her home, but she's moving into a retirement community now, and she can take the system with her, which is terrific. It doesn't require any special wiring in the new apartment.
Obviously, Lutron put a lot of thought behind this product before they brought it to market.
We've had very good success with it. It's been very thoroughly tested, and I believe firmly in it.
This is a simple system, so easy to operate, so easy to install, and worth every cent.
When I think of Radio Ra, I think of reliability, quality, and innovation. Lutron is the leader in the lighting control industry.